Hello everyone, my name is Chanasya putri. Today I wanted to tell you how to make Milo Cheese Roll. First step, spread a few slices of bread. After that, mix 3 tablespoons of Milo powder and 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk. Stir until it becomes like jam. Then spread it on a sheet of white bread. Then put the cheese slice on top of the Milo jam that was spread of the bread. Then roll up the white bread. For the dipping ingredient, first break 1 egg and mix it with the 100 ml of milk. Then cook on a pan that has this milk pot. Dip the rolled bread into the egg and milk mixture. Cook until all sides turn brown. And then serve it on the plate and add the Milo powder topping and the remaining Milo jam.